Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to write a beautiful ayat. Inna Allah ala kulli shayin qadir. So let's start. So first of all, join two pencils and write Inna Allah ala kulli shayin qadir with them. In today's calligraphy, we will repeat the pattern double time because in today's calligraphy, we will writing it in a unique way. So here, first of all, we will write Inna Allah, and here we have written in, and now we are writing ala. We are writing these things firstly because we will write the name of Allah on the top. And here you can watch easily that I have written in and ala, and now after that we will move ahead and write kulli, and now here we have written the kaf. Now after that we will write lam here, and here we have written kulli. Now we will write shay'in, and here we have written the name of Allah, and now we are writing here some dots, and now we are writing Qadir. And here we will draw dots, so I'm speeding up my video, and after that we will move ahead, and by using marker we will trace the pencil in this way. And I'm using here brown marker. You can also use any other marker of your choice. You can also use dark brown marker, golden, or any other marker look like this brown marker. And here our tracing process is near to complete because very little work is left, and after that our tracing process become completed. And now we will move ahead, and by using different colors we will color the one portion of our calligraphy and left other. You can watch here clearly that first of all I have light brown color and leave some parts without color, and here you can watch easily that I have colored some parts, and after that we will use dark brown color to give them more unique and shady look. And here we will use brown color on all the portions where we have used light brown color. And here after that we will use purple color in other words, and use yellow color on the purple color to give it a very unique and shady look. And after that process we will erase extra pencil and our calligraphy become completed, and here is the final look of our calligraphy. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.